What if I told you that one YouTube channel, created today, could completely change your life by 2026?
All across the continent, from Kigali to Lagos, Nairobi to Accra, young Africans are transforming YouTube into a source of income, influence, and real-world impact. And guess what? If you have a smartphone, an idea, and an internet connection, this video is made for you. I promise, by the end of this video, you will have a fully ready YouTube channel, all the correct settings that most beginners ignore, and a channel that is prepared for serious growth and monetization. So don't skip any step. Go ahead and subscribe now, because this channel is all about teaching you skills that pay.
Let's get started. First things first, let's create the channel.
Open up YouTube. Come on your computer or just launch the YouTube app on your phone. Look for the Sign In button and click it. Now, if you already use Gmail for your personal emails, your business, or even your schoolwork here in Rwanda, congratulations, you are already halfway there. That same Google account is your key to YouTube. A quick tip, make sure you're using a professional sounding Google account, not something with a funny or childish name from years ago. Remember, YouTube is owned by Google, so your channel must be linked to a Google account.
Once you sign in, YouTube automatically connects to that account.
There's no extra payment, no extra app to download. It's seamless. My advice is to use one strong, secure Google account for everything. Your YouTube channel, your Google Drive for storing files, your Gmail for communication, and importantly, for your future income, your AdSense account. Trust me, keeping everything under one account will save you a lot of headaches later on. It just makes everything simpler and more secure.
Okay, now the real work begins. You're signed in.
Look for your profile icon, usually in the top right corner, and click on it. From the menu that appears, select Create a Channel. YouTube will then give you a choice. You can either use your real name, which is great for building a personal brand, or you can create a specific brand name for your channel. Think carefully about your channel name. It should be easy for people to remember, easy to spell, and it should give a hint about what your channel is about, what you teach or share. Once you've decided, type it in and click Create Channel. Boom! Just like that, you are officially a YouTuber. Welcome to the club.
Now, let's make your channel look professional. People trust faces and they trust clarity.
Your profile picture is the first thing they'll see. It needs to be clear, bright, and simple. What are the best options? A clear, high-quality photo of your face, maybe with a professional, friendly smile. Or, if you have a brand, a clean and simple logo. For the size, aim for something around 800 by 800 pixels, saved as a JPG or a PNG file. You don't need a fancy camera for this. A good photo taken on your phone, standing near a window for natural light, works perfectly. Please, avoid using blurry photos, group pictures where no one knows who you are, or images with way too much text. Your profile picture is your digital handshake.
This next step is so important, and yet so many new creators skip it. Listen closely. Go to your YouTube studio.
You can find this by clicking your profile icon again. Once you're in the studio, find Settings on the left-hand menu. From there, go to the Channel tab and then click on Feature Eligibility. You will see different levels of features. You need to enable the intermediate and advanced features. This unlocks your ability to upload videos longer than 15 minutes, create custom thumbnails, and even go live. To do this, YouTube will ask you to verify your account with a phone number. They'll send you a code by SMS. This works perfectly fine in Rwanda and all across Africa. Without completing this step, you'll look like a complete beginner, and your channel's growth will be seriously limited. So please, don't skip this.
Next, we're going to set up something that will save you hours of work in the future. We're going to create upload defaults.
In your YouTube studio, go back to Settings, but this time, click on Upload Defaults. Here, you can pre-fill information that will automatically appear every time you upload a new video. You can set up a default description, maybe with a little bio and links to your other social media. You can add default hashtags that are relevant to your niche. And you can put in your default links, like a link to your WhatsApp group, your Telegram channel, or your Instagram page. On this channel, for example, I always share simple skills to help Africans succeed in the digital world, so I might include that in my default description. Why does this matter so much? It ensures faster uploads, it keeps your branding consistent across all your videos, and it gives your channel a professional, organized look. Smart creators' work wants to set this up so they don't have to repeat the same work every single time they upload.
Now, let's make your channel future-proof and ready for the YouTube algorithm.
We are going back to the Settings menu one last time. Go to YouTube Studio, then Settings, then Channel, and this time, click on the Advanced Settings tab. First, set your country of residence. If you're in Rwanda, select Rwanda. This helps YouTube give you correct recommendations and better analytics. Next, you have to tell YouTube about your audience. For most of us, you'll select the option that says, "No, this channel is not made for kids." This is crucial for monetization and ad targeting, unless your content is specifically for children. While you're on this page, also go to the Basic Info tab right next to it. Here, you can add keywords related to your channel's niche. Think about what people would search for to find your content. You can also link your social media accounts here to build a stronger online presence.
So, let's recap what you've just accomplished.
You now have a professional YouTube channel. You have configured all the correct settings for growth that most beginners miss. And you have built a strong foundation for success in 2026 and beyond. I want you to remember something very important. You don't need expensive cameras to start. You don't need to have perfect English. What you truly need is consistency and the commitment to provide value to your audience. Here in Africa, YouTube is not just a hobby anymore. It is a legitimate career path.
You've done the hard part. Your channel is ready.
Make sure you're subscribed because in the very next video, I'm going to show you exactly what to upload first on a brand new YouTube channel to get views fast. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Your journey as a creator starts right now.